Security in system monitoring. In this section, you will see how continuous monitoring should be done to check for any irregular behavior in production. Security in system monitoring is the first video of this section. In this video, you will see how system should be monitored for security-related incidents. A good system monitoring approach should combine SIM, that is, Security Information Management, and SEM, that is, Security Event Management functions into one security management system. Security Information Management and Security Event Management combined together can be referred to as Security Information and Event Management. As you can see, the application notifies SIEM entity of any alerts or violations. SIEM looks for violations by also probing other entities like network devices, network analyzers, security solution, identity server, application log, and database logs. SIEM is based on the principles of aggregating data from multiple sources and identify deviation from the norm. Thereafter, take appropriate action like logging additional information, generation of alert, or indicating other security controls to stop an activity's progress. There are certain best practices which should be followed. Assign different categories based on criticality to your assets like high, low, medium, etc. Monitor for any violation corresponding to standards like SANS Top 20, STIGs, etc. See what should be the risk threshold and how often you should monitor. This would require some experimentation to arrive at an optimal value. Define steps to follow while reporting alerts or critical failures. A successful monitoring framework should have certain basic capabilities. Log management to aggregate data from many sources, including network, security, servers, database applications, providing the ability to consolidate monitored data to help avoid missing crucial events. Look for common attributes and link events together into meaningful bundles. The automated analysis of correlated events and production of alerts to notify recipients of immediate issues. Alerting can be to a dashboard or sent via third-party channels such as email. Event data should be transformed into informational charts to assist in seeing patterns or identifying activity that is not forming a standard pattern. Automate the gathering of compliance data, producing reports that adapt to existing security, governance, and auditing processes. Employ long-term storage of historical data to facilitate correlation of data over time and to provide the retention necessary for compliance requirements. Search across logs on different nodes and time periods based on specific criteria. This mitigates having to search through thousands and thousands of logs. Judicious choice of metrics helps in reporting of the efficiency of an application security program. There are certain metrics which you should consider monitoring. Number of vulnerabilities with severity. At any given time, this is the most important piece of application security metric that you should have. Whether you are using automated testing, penetration testing, ethical hacking, or a combination of both, the report should highlight exposure in detail. Age of vulnerability. If you're missing the age in the vulnerability testing reports, chances are that they will stay there for weeks and maybe even for months. New vulnerabilities introduced. The rapid rate of application development and updates often lead to an increase in vulnerability data. While you are struggling to keep up with the old issues, there are chances that new releases bring in new, even more severe issues within the application. Average time to fix. Time to fix reported vulnerabilities can sometimes become problematic. Even critical ones can stay in the software for weeks. With this app security metric in place, you can start focusing on lowering the fixing time frame. Most attacked URIs. This metric can tell you which are the most attacked pages of your site. Attack origin. It will help if you have the attack number separated by country and IP addresses. The next generation of attack intelligence will not only tell you about attacks but also where they originate from. Zero-day attacks. Zero-day vulnerabilities have notoriously caused data breaches. A zero-day means it's 0 days from when anyone knew about it, so no one's fixed it. Historic attack data. The future of application security is in round-the-clock hack prevention. Collecting, monitoring, and analyzing past threats will help your security team develop patterns and to create protection against future threats. Application-level security monitoring provides some advantages. There is a better protection against cyber attacks and fraud. Compliance and governance become simpler. It becomes easier to enforce policies. There are quite a few tools which provide good monitoring capability. Contrast Security is the world's leading provider of security technology that enables software applications to protect themselves against cyber attacks, heralding the new era of self-protecting software. Veracode's SaaS application security solutions enable IT administrators and development teams to secure and test software throughout the development lifecycle, from inception through production. Elastic Stack comprises of Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, and offers excellent means to aggregate huge amounts of logs and provide exciting dashboards on top of it.